Hello viewers, here is the GoPro or the Went Amateur battery charger. Somebody suggested I get a second battery for the camera, and it in fact came with a second battery. The problem was that I didn't have any way to charge the batteries other than in the camera, and that just wasn't working out because it won't charge while it's recording, and by the time I'm done recording, I'm finna go to sleep. So I record and then run the batteries out, and then I plug one of them in, and then, like, once I get up in the middle of the night and change it to the other one never gets charged up. So I got this. Having a third battery is great, but I got this primarily for the charging aspect so that I can take both batteries and put them in here, and I guess I'll charge one battery in the camera itself so that all three batteries can get charged at the same time. Or I could have two I don't know how quick it charges, but I could have two charging while I'm recording, and I could swap them out as needed. The battery life isn't too bad on this thing. My cousin has a GoPro camera, which is older. I think it's probably about a decade old now. And I remember using that a couple times, and the battery was terrible. It seemed like it went out in like 10 or 15 minutes. This one, I can get a number of videos done on a charge, or at least one really long video between the two batteries, so it functionally hasn't been an issue. But I'm thinking, like, during Christmas time, if I'm doing really long videos of setting up the Christmas stuff, then I may want to have the third battery. So let's get this opened up and see what we have here. This was ridiculously expensive. I think it was like $70-something, which is absurd for a battery charger. Limited lifetime warranty. Okay, it's probably so limited it doesn't cover anything on here. Let's see. It looks like it's going to be opened from the bottom. Okay, so here's the battery itself, which is the same batteries that I have now. It's the correct one. And there's the cord and the batteries. It's all USB-C, which is kind of nice because USB-C is becoming standard now. So I'm glad they use what's becoming standard and not some weird proprietary connection. Here's the instruction manual. Okay, well, I'm not going to be seeing what's written on there because it's written in font that's so daggone small you got to have a magnifying glass to read it. What is this? Put the batteries in and they charge. Duh. Okay. So here's the power cord. This is so short, it's kind of ridiculous. So I have to sit, you know, I don't even know if this would be long enough to reach the table. No, it's not. This is like, maybe if you put in a wall plug, it'll reach that floor. Wait a minute. There's no power adapter. What? Includes dual battery charger, battery, USB-C cable. What the heck you plug the cable into? Okay, I'm getting all upset here. Okay. So, okay, that's ridiculous. Almost $80 for a charger I can't even plug in. Why in the world did this not come with a power supply? I had to charge it in the computer or something. And I have this other thing I plug the camera into. It's 1.5 amps out. I don't know if that's enough or not. I got this I use with a Sony camera. I could plug it into here, I suppose, but it kind of would be nice if it had its own thing. Unbelievable. Why did it not come with a stinking power cord? That's ridiculous. What a stinking joke. Well, let's plug the battery in. I can't believe there's no stinking power cord. That is ridiculous. Okay, it's the charging. Now, let's see, where's my other battery? Here it is. I can't believe that. And now that's charging as well. So it works if you have a way to plug it in. Outrageous. It should have come with a stinking power supply.